Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Right. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, actually, day before yesterday, we have started discussing about lambda expressions. We have started discussing about lambda expression. We have completed that. After that, yesterday, we started discussing about method referencing and enum, like generally how to use that enum. I told you enum that is introduced in Java 1.5 version, and it is used to declare universal constants. If our project is having universal constants, then only we are supposed to take enum. So most of the time instead of enum, directly we are going with final keyword, guys. Already know what is the use of final keyword, right? Yes, guys, final keyword. Yeah, you already know that. Like, so most of the time we'll be discuss, like if our project is having universal constants, directly we'll be trying to use final keyword. Okay. So if the client demands, then we'll be trying to go with enum, or else if testing department demands, then only we'll be trying to go with enum, or else not required. Universal constants in the sense no one should be able to change them. For example, days in a week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, months, January, February, March, April, colors, red color, blue color, or else name of planets, Earth, Mercury, Mars, like that. So no one will be able to change them, right? If our project is having these kind of universal constants, then only we'll be trying to go with models not required. Directly we'll be trying to go with final keyword, guys. Parvesh, did you understand what are universal constants? I told you this universal constants in the very first starting days of the class, buddy. What happened? Why you are forgetting that? Yesterday also I told you what are universal constants. Come on, listen to the class clearly. Okay. Right. So guys, so these are all the topics which we had covered in our yesterday's class. Now, today we are going to start with entirely a new concept, guys. That is, just let me try to write like this. Understanding, or else just let me go with INNER, inner classes. Inner classes like this. Okay. Inner class like this. Now, guys, can you please keep your siding as inner classes? Please keep your siding as inner classes. Note down a small point. Note down a small point for me, please. Inner classes. Inner classes are defined inside the body of another class. Just let me try to write like this. Inner classes are defined inside the body of a Java class. Inner classes are defined inside the body of a Java class. Okay. Next point. These classes can have access modifiers. Let us try to write like this. For inner classes, we can use all the four access modifiers, all the four access modifiers. All the four access modifiers. Are you understanding me, guys? Generally, guys, did you remember, like I told you, for a class, we can use only how many access modifiers we can use for a class? How many access modifiers we can use for a class? Exactly. Only two. Come on, guys, respond. Others respond. Come on, yeah. Last class, please respond. Right, we can use only two access modifiers, right? So what are those public and default? But when you're speaking about an inner class, guys, when you're speaking about an inner class, we can use all the four, like public, private, protect, and default, right? So generally, what is the use of this inner classes? Inner classes, inner classes are used to access the private members of the OUTR of the outer class. Private members of the outer class. Inner class is generally used to access the private members of the outer class. So we'll do one thing, guys. We'll do one thing. Let us try to see a small program on this inner class. Now, before going to that, guys, yes, in method overriding, I just gave you a small introduction about what is actually inner class. Just a small introduction. Now, actually, types of there are different types of inner classes are there, guys. There are different types. Just let me try to write like this. Java provides, PROVADS, Java provides 4 types of inner classes. Yep, 4 types, 4 types. 4 types of inner classes. What are those? Let us try to have an idea here. First one, first, second, third, and fourth. Yes, first one is nested inner class. Nested nested inner class. Second one is static static inner class. Third one is method local inner class, and finally fourth one is anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class. This anonymous inner class is the class which we have seen in our multi-threading concept. So just let us try to have an idea about all these inner classes, guys. Okay, so just a minute, let me open this. Okay, just since from yesterday onwards this program is like this one. Okay, hang on. Okay, right. Okay, now guys, class A. Okay, now just let me try to have a normal method, void method one like this, and here I am writing system.out.println, system.out.println. Here I am from OUTR outer class. I'm just trying to write like this. I am from outer class. Okay, now let me make this class as private. Sorry, this method as private. I am making this method as private, and you know the scope of private access modifier. So if I declare a method as private, where I can access that particular private method, where I can access, or else what is the scope of private access modifier? Exactly. The scope of private access modifier is only within the class. Like outside a class, we cannot access that. Right. Now, guys, I want to write a inner class. So normal syntax. Inside a class, I'm trying to write one more class. Please observe here. Class, INNER, inner class, like that, open braces and close braces. Guys, can you please observe the code kindly? Please observe the code here. What I did, this is just, guys, you already know the syntax of a class, right? You already know the syntax of a class. Same syntax. Sir, can I write? Yeah, you can write access modifier, no problem. Can I write public? Yep, you can write public. Sir, can I write default? Yeah, obviously that is default. Can I write protected? Yes, it is protected. Yep. Can I write private? Private, private. That's what I told you. For inner class, I can use any of the access modifier. I hope it's clear, guys. Is it clear for everyone? All the 4 access modifiers we can use for the inner class. Now, inside the class, I'm trying to write one more method, void method 2 like this. Okay. Now, system.out.println, I'm just trying to write, I'm from inner class. I'm from inner class. Just one more small statement. We can use all the 4 access modifiers for the inner classes. Okay. I mean, just like a small point, guys, so that he easily will be able to remember that, right? Like this. And now, guys, please observe method 1. Did you observe what I did here? I am trying to access private method, which is present in class A from inner class. From inner class. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Now, sir, I'm having a small doubt. So you are saying it is a class, right? Can we write constructors? Can we write constructors inside the inner class? Guys, what is your opinion? Can we write constructors inside the inner class? What is your opinion? I'm not speaking about outer class. For example, just let me try to write a small constructor class A like this, and system.out.println, and here I'm writing outr outer class constr outer class constructor, and I just want to write inside this inner class. Can I do that? Come on. Okay, very good. So if you are saying I can do that, tell me what should be the name? What should be the name of my constructor? Inner class constructor. Exactly. Guys, same name as class name here. Same name as class name. Let me try to write like this. Okay. Now here system.out.println. Here I'm just trying to write INN here. Inner class constructor. CONSTRUCT or inner class constructor like that. Now guys, kindly please do remember one thing. If you want to write main method inside the inner class, if you want to write main method inside the inner class, your class also should be declared as static. Just let me try to write like a small note point. We can write main method inside the inner class only if it is static inner class. Guys, how many types of inner classes are there? How many types of inner classes are there? 4. So if it is a static inner class, then only you can write main method. Kindly please do remember that. Okay. Right. So here I cannot write main method here. Right. Okay. All right, guys. Let me try to write my main method outside the class. I mean, in the outer class. I'm trying to write main method inside the outer class. Okay. Now here comes the problem. Guys, I want to call method 2, which is present in inner class. Any ideas? I want to call method 2, which is present in inner class. Remember, this inner class is present in class A. Okay, sir, with the help of new, okay, let me try to go with new. Okay, after that new, what I need to do? After writing new keyword, what I need to do? Guys, simple here, very, very simple. First, try to create an object for your outer class. You cannot directly create an object for inner class, guys. First, you need to create an object for outer class. What is my outer class name? What is my outer class name? Come on, class A. Okay. Just class A. Okay. Class A dot new inner class. Guys, did you understand? First, you need to create an object for the outer class. After that, you need to create an object for your inner class. Guys, without outer class reference, how can we create an object for inner class directly here? Yes or no? This is an, okay, guys, for example, tell me one thing here. Tell me one thing. For example, if you want to call a method, how you will be calling a method? Normally, if you want to call a method, how you will be calling a method? With the help of its respective class object. Am I right or wrong? Likewise, I want to create an object for my inner class. Okay, first you need to create an object for the outer class. After creating an object, then only we are supposed to create an object for the inner class. Guys, are you understanding the concept here? Are you able to link? That is great. That is great. Now, reference. Okay, just let me try to go with the reference. Let me go with like, okay, simply I'll be going with OBJ. Okay, now, right. Tell me, any ideas? Reference. First, what I need to write? Okay, very good. Class A, class CLSS class A dot inner class. Am I right or wrong, guys? Very good, Sushil. Suma, not like, I mean, you are not supposed to give parentheses like this, Suma. I hope you're understanding me, okay? If you are giving a parenthesis like this, means that is you're trying to initialize constructor, but no, you are not actually calling constructor here. You already know that. Here we are trying to create an, initialize the object with the help of a constructor, Suma. Okay? Yeah, that is great. That is great. Now, okay, obj dot method 2. That's it. That's it. Now, if we execute our program, what is our output, guys? Any ideas? If we execute our program, first, what will be called? A word of advice. A word of advice. Here, first, you are having constructor, outer class constructor. After that, inner class constructor. What is your opinion? First, what will be called? Outer class constructor. Okay. After that, inner class constructor. After that, method 2 and then method 1. Okay, let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Outer class constructor. After that, inner class constructor. After that, I am from inner class. We can use all for access modifiers and I'm from outer class. I'm able to access the private method which is present in my outer class. I hope you got a clear idea, guys. Did you? That is great. That is great. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll upload the programs in our Google Classroom. I think it would be easy for you. Is it okay? I need your response, please. Okay, nested inner class. Right. That is good. That is good. Let me try to copy this. Okay. Now, let us try to see static inner class. Static inner class. Okay. Right. Now, okay. Let me make this as simple. Okay. Let me remove this. Now, I'm making this as static. Okay. Static inner class. Now, guys, if we are trying to make our class as static, immediately we are getting an error here. I need anyone like why we are getting an error here. Any ideas? Any ideas? Any solutions you want to say? Very good, Suma. Guys, come on, yeah. That is good. That is good. Guys, this is non-static method. Am I right or wrong? Non-static method. Yes. How can you access a non-static method inside a static area directly with the help of method name, guys? Yes or no? You already know that, guys. We have covered that. Can we access like this? Can we access with the help of class object? With the help of class object. With the help of class object, fine. We can do that. But directly, we cannot access like this. Okay, guys, I'll do one thing. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. I'll make it easy for you. I'll make it very, very easy for you. Int A equal to 10. Static int B equal to 20. Okay. This is instance variable. And this is static variable. Okay. Right. Now just let me try to have static inner class. Okay. Class INNER. Inner class like this. Static inner class. Now system.out.println. Sorry. Let me try to have a method void method one. Okay. Let me go with display. Display method. Display method. Now inside this display method, I'm just trying to write system.out.println ins instance variable plus EA. After that, system.out.println static variable static VA static variable plus B like this. Okay. Now, if you observe, we are getting an error here, right? I believe you already know how to resolve that. You already know how to resolve that. Yes. Guys, I need your answers. Yes, that is good. That is 100%. New class A dot A. We have already covered, guys. We already covered this concept. Don't think like static inner class is like way different from static method. Just try to imagine like a static method. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, here I'm having a small doubt. Inside this static inner class, can I write a static block? Let me just try to write it here. System.out.println. I'm from inner class. Now I want to write a static block. Okay, system.out.println inner class static block. How about a constructor? Shall I write a constructor? What is your opinion? Constructor? Okay, inner inner class like this, and system.out.println. I'm trying to write inner class constructor, inner class constructor like this. Okay, so sir, you told that we can write main method also. Yep, let us try to write main method like this. Okay, now inside the main method, let me first try to create, I just want to write a small statement. Main method from the inner class. Now I want to write a block, static block in the outer class also. Guys, by the way, are you understanding the code which I am writing? Guys, I need your assistance, please. Are you understanding the code? Just now, all this is static inner class. Now I came out from the inner class and I just want to write a static block in the outer class. Okay, guys? Yeah, that is very good. That is very good, guys. Okay, OUTR outer class static block. Okay, and I want to write a constructor also in my outer class. Okay, class A like this, and just let me try to write system.out.println OUTR outer class constructor like this, and obviously I want to write my main method also. Main method. Wow, little bit complicated, sir. No, not at all. Not at all complicated, guys. Trust me when I say this. System.out.println, and here I'm writing main method from OUTR from outer class. Okay. Okay. Now my question is, guys, very, very simple. Right now in my class A, I'm having two main methods. Yep, Harshini, yes, I am having two main methods. One main method is present inside my inner class. And guys, did you remember that? I told you, if you want to write main method inside a inner class, 100% that class should be declared as what? Come on, involve in the class, involve in the class. Exactly. 100% that class should be declared as static. Static. Okay. Now here our question is, sir, we are having two main methods. One main method is present inside the inner class and other main method is present in the outer class. So if we execute my program, first, which main method will be getting executed? Which main method? What is your opinion, guys? What is your opinion? Okay, okay. So most of the people are saying like outer, and some people are saying inner main method will be getting executed. Now here again we are having some more questions. If outer main method is getting executed, what about static block? I hope you're understanding here, guys. Okay. Right. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. Guys, point number one, not outer class main method. Nope. Not inner class main method. No. Sir, what? Are we getting an error? No. Are we getting an exception? No. Are you going to say the answer? Yes. Then how? Which main method will be getting executed? Right. Right click. run as run as shall I click? Shall I click Java application? Now, which main method got executed, guys? Which main method got executed? Did you observe this, guys? We got an option. Select Java application means which main method you want to be getting executed. For example, I want to execute inner class main method. Then choose inner class main method. Give a click on OK. Inner class main method will be getting executed. For example, if I execute run as Java application, if I'm choosing outer class, then outer class main method will be getting executed. Are you understanding me, guys? Compiler will not give you any priority. Like it will not take any chances. Directly, it will be asking our programmer, like, I don't know, buddy, which one you want me to execute? Tell me, I'll execute that. You are having two main methods. So which one? Which one you want me to execute? Did you understand, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Yes. Yes, that is good. Okay. Now, for example, sir, I want to call this display method. Okay. If you want to call this display method, right. Now, please observe here, guys. Directly, I'll be going with new inner class dot display method. Okay. Now, if I execute my inner class, first static block, after that constructor, am I right or wrong? After that display method. Are you understanding me, guys? If we execute for right now, if we execute our inner class, first inner class static block will be getting executed. After that main method from inner class. After that inner class constructor, I am from inner class instance variables, static variable will be accessed. Please check this, right click, run as Java application, inner class. Now, first inner class static block, inner class static block. After that, main method from inner class. After that, inner class constructor, inner class constructor. After that, tell me, we are calling display, right? So I am from inner class instance variable. Before executing instance variable, again, we are creating one more object, right? Yes or no? Come on, guys. As we are creating an object for outer class, did you observe the changes in the output, guys? Did you observe the changes in the output? Guys, we are creating an object for outer class. Object for outer class. Outer class. So, whenever we are creating an object for outer class, first outer class, exactly, outer class static block will be getting executed. After that, outer class constructor will be called. Then, yep, your A, you are able to access that, and B will be printed. As simple as this. As simple as this. Guys, did you understand this point? This one. You should be able to understand why we are getting this output. Why outer class static block is getting called. Why outer class constructor is getting invoked. Why means you are creating an object for outer class, buddy. Is it clear, guys? Please respond in the chat for me. Yes, that is great. That is great. So this is static inner class. Remember, guys, in static inner class, you can have main method, not at all a trouble, but please if you are having two main methods, which main method you want to execute, you can choose, you can opt. Okay, you will not be getting any compile time error, and the compiler will not give any priorities. Like first, you are supposed to execute static main method, I mean static inner class main method, or else outer class main method. You will not be having any of these kind of priorities, guys. It's completely depends upon your wish, right? Let me try to keep this also here. Static inner class. Now, third one, method local inner class. Method local inner class. Do you know what? This is very, very simple, guys. Very literally, very, very simple. You'll understand. Please check this. Please check this. Let me remove this. Okay. Now, I'm just having a normal method here, void show method, just a basic method, show method. Okay. Now, inside this show method, if I am trying to write a class, once again, I'm saying you, if I am trying to write a class inside a method, that is known as method local inner class. Okay, let me go with like string s equal to Java. This is just like a string variable, guys. That's it. Okay, now class inner class, open braces, close braces. Now this inner class belongs to this method. I hope you're understanding me, guys, right? Now this is known as method local inner class. That's it, not more than that. Inside this class, you can write one more method. What? Yep. We can write one more method. Please observe here. Void method one. Now here, for example, string data equal to yes plus is come on, awesome. I'm trying to write like this, and system.out.println data. I'm just trying to print data. That's it, not more than that. Okay, now please observe here, guys. I have came out from my inner class. I came out from my inner class, and now just new inner class like this equal to obj belongs to inner class. Now simply I'll be able to call obj dot method one. Oops, sorry. Obj dot method one. Guys, all these are the statements which are present inside this method, show method. All these are the statements which are present inside this show method. Okay. You know, guys, if we want to execute the statements which are present inside this show method, how to do that? If you want to execute the statements which are present inside a method, exactly, Alpesh, exactly. Sir, just call show method. Okay. Main method. Inside my main method. Yes, Sushil, that is 100% correct. New class A dot show. As simple as this. Now, if you execute our program, we'll be getting our output. That is Java is awesome. What do you say, guys? Is it awesome? Right? Guys, trust me, if you involve in the class, you should be getting goosebumps whenever we are writing the code. Right, guys? That wow factor is there now. Wow. That is exactly what Java makes you. Anyways. So guys, I hope you got an idea about this method local inner class. Very, very simple, guys. Method local inner class means if you are trying to write a class inside a method, that is known as method local inner class. Tell me one thing, guys. Can we write a main method inside this method local inner class? Can we write main method inside a method local inner class? Please tell me. No, I cannot. I cannot. Why I cannot write? Why I cannot write? Because method is guys, for example, tell me one thing here. Tell me one thing. If I make this method as, if I make this class as static, can I write main method? Think. I need answers. Very good. Suma, that is very good, Amma. That is very good. Can you explain why? Can you explain why? Guys, if you are trying to declare it as static, no, we cannot. We cannot. Do you know the reason? Guys, let me tell you one thing. Non-static method. Okay, so if I make this method as static, 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 now also I'm getting an error. Are you observing here? Guys, did you remember static variables concept? Static variables concept. At that time, I told you a small point. Did you remember that? That is a static variable can never be what? Exactly, Manoj. Exactly. A static variable can never be local variable. Did I tell you that? So this is method local inner class. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So if you are trying to declare this inner class as static, it will be coming like static variable kind of thing. So no, you cannot do that. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear? Right. That is good. Let me just try to have this. And this is method local inner class. Method local inner class. And finally, let us try to have an idea about anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class. Right. Now, let me remove this. Now, guys, anonymous inner class means a class which is not having any name. Just a second. I think I should be having a small program here. I think I can use that. Where it is. Yes. Now, guys, anonymous inner class in the sense a class which is not having any name. Did you remember when we are dealing about multi-threading at deadlock concept and inter-thread communication, we have used this. Did you remember that, guys? Exactly. Right? Yes, 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 yes. So guys, anonymous inner class means very simple here. Anonymous inner class in the sense that will not be having will not be having any name like class name like that. It will not, we will not be having anything like that. Is it clear, guys? Please tell me. Please respond. Please respond. Yes, yes. I guys, please observe these two. Please observe these two classes. First one is, this is anonymous inner class. Okay. Now this is outer class. Inside the outer class, I'm just having in the outer class, I'm just having print method. Okay. Just print method. That's it. Not more than that. Now, guys, this is important. Please concentrate correctly. Please concentrate correctly. Okay. Now, in my anonymous class, I'm creating an object for my outer class without closing it. Did you observe here? I did not close it here. Guys, you need to observe this. I did not end my statement. Without ending my statement, I have opened a class. Is it having any name? Is it having any name? No, no. It is not having any name. Inside this class, I mean, anonymous class, I'm having one more method. Okay. Print method. Fine. Now I am trying to call print method, which is present in my superclass. That is, I am in the print method of outer class. Please check this. Right click, run as Java application, and you should be getting your output like this. Gaurav, that is 100%. That is 100. That is known as anonymous inner class. You will not be having any class name, or else you will not be having any class keyword, buddy. Without the help of class name, I mean class keyword and class name, will be able to create that anonymous inner class. But kindly please do remember this, guys. Please do remember this. If we are trying to create this anonymous inner class, pretty much damn sure you should be creating that before ending the statement of a particular object creation. Okay. That is good. Yes, yes, yes. If you are not creating, like if you are trying to create, after that, then you will be having a trouble. No. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it? Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, guys, you already know that. Super class. You already know what is the use of super. Right, guys. Right. That is great. That is great. So this is actually anonymous inner class. Just let me just try to, guys, you may have a small doubt here, sir, why here we are giving it as static. Guys, the reason why we are giving it is static because I want to access the method directly with the help of that reference. If I'm not trying to give static, I'll be getting a compile time error. Kindly please make sure whenever you are writing an anonymous inner class, it should be, that reference should be declared as static. It should be declared as static. Rupali, yes? Right. Now, just let me try to go like this. Okay, now just here, anonymous, like this, and one more. Like this. Okay, so guys, as we discussed, four types of inner classes are there: nested inner class, static inner class, method local inner class, and anonymous inner class. Let me be very frank with you guys. Generally, inner classes will be using very less in our projects. I mean, I don't want to bluff my students, but as literally it's a matter of fact, very less we'll be trying to use this in our projects. Okay, but in interview point of view, yes, these will make an impact. These questions will make an impact. Like the programmer, the interviewer may ask you, try to write a static inner class and execute a program. Or else if you are trying to write main method inside a nested inner class and main method in outside, I mean main method in the outer class, which main method will be getting executed, guys? Once again, I'm asking if we are writing a main method in the nested inner class and main method in the outer class, which main method will be getting executed? Come on, guys. You need to listen to the question clearly. No, yeah. Guys, inside a nested inner class, can you write a main method? Inside a nested inner class. Come on, guys. Those are the points. Those are the points. You need to remember them, please. Okay. So nested inner class, we cannot write main method. If you want to write main method, pretty much damn sure your inner class also should be declared as what? Static. Exactly. So guys, regarding this inner classes, I'll be just a second. Yes, I'll be trying to give you the entire notes in our Google Classroom. Okay, you can go through that. I hope it's clear, guys. Right? Now, our next topic is guys, almost nearly 60 days, nearly 60 days. Thank you for listening, guys. Seriously, I thank you. Like, I hope you have enjoyed our sessions. Nearly 65, 66 days. Yeah, I promised you guys, like 50 to 55 days, 50 to 55 days. But as the topic demands, I had taken another 10 days more, and I had given some holidays also. Like if you are not considering the holidays, nearly it will be done in 60 days. Literally, guys. Now let me, guys, this is my email ID, my personal email ID. This is my personal email ID. Okay, so if you want any assistance on any topic, you can mail me with that. Any assistance in any topic, you can mail me with that. Not at all a problem. Okay, so yeah, Ravi, hang on. Ravi, those are the topics generally I covered. I mean, some of the topics I already covered. Remaining the topics which you had mentioned, Ravi, in this sessions, it is not possible for that. I mean, in these sessions. if I'm trying to go with remaining all those topics, like if you want to go with those concepts also, then it will be like taking more time, like nearly uh, 4 to 5 months of time it will be taking. So anyways, not at all a trouble, Ravi. Like if you need any assistance of that particular topics, you can mail me, Parvesh, Ravi. Okay, I'll be there. Trust me. I will try to help you with that. Not at all a trouble, guys. Okay. Is it okay, Ravi? Parvesh? And guys, regarding advance, right now I'm unable to go with my advanced classes right now. So if I had started advanced Java classes, you'll be getting that information through our website, guys. You'll be getting our information through website. So guys, let me ask you one thing. In the very first starting days of our classes, I told you, guys, I mean, every day there will not be I mean, in our classes there will not be any lagging, I told you. Yes. And I told you guys, in order to learn Java, IT, non-IT, that literally does not matter, guys. You will be understanding that, I told you. Yes. And I hope I had kept my promise. Did I? Yes, yes. Srinivas, for example, default method in interface, private method in interface, lambda expressions, method referencing, all these are features only, Srinivas. Whenever we are covering the topic, we had already covered them, right? So I hope you enjoyed our sessions, guys. Guys, one thing I want to tell you, please, please, once you got job, don't forget to mail me to this email ID. Can I expect that from you guys? Please, once you got a job, don't think like sir will forget. No, no way, no way. Like Pranita, Preeti, Ravi, Mukesh, Manoj, Harshni, Suma, Kamlesh, Manoj, Akash, Upender, everyone, guys, Parvesh. Okay, so please, please, what I'm requesting you is send me an email to this mail ID that you got placed. Remember, along with your family members, along with your parents, even I am also waiting to hear the good news from you. Actually, I want to show your mails to other students. Like, I want to tell them proudly, I want to say them, see, these are my students. And don't forget to message me interview questions also. Like, what are the interview questions which you have faced? Okay, guys, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay, so guys, some most other students are asking me, sir, when we'll be discussing about advanced Java. Guys, I'm not sure, buddy. That's what I'm trying to say right now. My schedule is a little bit tight, so not right now. Okay, all right. So guys, my advice is after completing core Java, Priyanka, like guys, some students are asking me regarding certificate. You can mail them. You can mail the team. The persons whom you have contacted, you can mail them. If they did not give you the if they did not responded, you can mail to me. I will try to see. Okay, I will try to check with that. So my advice is, guys, after core Java, try to take. If you have already completed MySQL Oracle, fine. Or else after core MySQL Oracle, after completing database, or else along with database, directly you can go with advanced Java. Okay, guys, I hope you're understanding me. Mahesh, when you are going with default features, I mean default in interface, can you have default methods, private methods, lambda expressions? All these are features only, buddy, right? Whenever in that topic comes, we have covered that. Right. Okay. Ravi, actually, can understand Hindi, but I cannot conversate in Hindi. Why? Because if I conversate in Hindi, you will forget Hindi. मेरे को हिंदी नहीं आता. मेरे को कैसे बोलते हैं? Like I can understand, but I cannot conversate. अरे यार, seriously. Okay, so that's the thing there. And guys, one last thing, guys. Uh, how you feel about our core Java sessions? Can you please give me a review on your Google? Like it will be useful for your, like for my other students also. Why? Because 8 o'clock, that is an online sessions only will be happening there. Okay. So is it, can you do that for me, guys? Like just simply go to Google. Just simply go to Google and enter Naresh IT Durga Bhavani Plaza like this. Naresh IT Durga Bhavani Plaza like this. And you'll be getting reviews, something like here. I mean, 4,000 reviews nearly will be there. Just give a click on that, write a review, and you can just enter your details. Like you can go with your view, your opinion, and don't forget to post. Okay, don't forget to post. Right. So guys, the thing is like that will be useful for other students also. Okay. So again, I'm saying you guys, any help regarding Java notes or else like any topic, if you want to have an idea about a topic regarding notes, please mail me. Okay. Sudharani, Priyanka, mail me. I'll try to do what's the best I can do for you. Is it okay? Can you do that for me, guys? Please. Upender, my advice is, I mean, you can see Oracle or MySQL, anything is fine. Personally, I will recommend MySQL. Personally. You can learn Oracle, but practice those queries on MySQL database. That would be better. Okay. Right, guys. Right. You can go with that Alpesh. That is very good. Okay. So guys, always do remember, don't forget that. Always. Okay. Always. Right. Okay. Abhishek. Now I'm getting it. Yeah, sure. Abhishek, why not? You can, you are, but you just need to clear the interview, buddy. Upender, please mail me. I'll try to see what's the best I can do. Core Java database, advanced. Yes, Rathod, that is better. That is great. No, Deepraj, if you are taking only one class per day, it will take nearly 1 year here. I will not recommend that. Okay. And guys, I will try to make sure the notes which is present in the Google Classroom will be available up to 1 year. But please, guys, please write it in your notes. Soft copy, okay, but please write it in your notes. If you write, you will remember. Okay. Guys, Java interviews are fun. Enjoy Java interviews. Okay. Enjoy Java interviews. All right. Every point in my notes is an interview question, guys. Like it's an answer for an interview question. Parvesh, every point in my notes is an answer for a question, interview question. So please go through the notes correctly. Okay. So advanced Java will be started very soon. Not my class. I mean, you will be getting the data in your Google Classroom, guys. Okay. Right. If I'm having time, I'll try to do that, Rajarao. If like I cannot promise you anything, I hope you understand. I mean, like even I should be doing my own projects also, right, buddy? Right. All right, guys. Thank you for listening. It's hard to say goodbye, but thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. And guys, please try to give like your opinion how our classes are there. Okay, in the Google Classroom. Please don't forget that. All right.